Plotting multiple plots, but with offset ranges in Python. I would like to plot a function of e and nu, where e is the eccentricity and nu the true anomaly. I am only looking at elliptical orbits, so 0, e, 1. However, when I try to plot them against each other, I have a shape error. Value error. Operands could not be broadcast together with shapes, 10, 5000. I know this is because I only want 10 spaces for the eccentricity, but is there a way around this?
I think this is what you are trying to do. Numpy broadcasting is your friend smile. If you want to get really fancy,
If you want to see more, please